Unlocking Success, Project-Based Learning from IBS Executive MBA. Welcome to the Executive MBA program from IBS Hyderabad. Project-based learning is a valuable teaching method that can significantly benefit IBS Executive MBA students in their current work environments. Students will undergo 2 business research projects during the program. Project-based learning sharpens problem-solving skills by tackling real-world business problems, preparing students for informed decision-making under pressure. Students have the option of pursuing these business research projects at their workplace, thereby enabling them to apply classroom learning to their work. Project-based learning merges theory with practical application, deepening comprehension and fostering transferable knowledge. Students acquire industry insights and forge connections through projects that align with contemporary trends, encouraging innovation and creativity. Project-based learning fosters out-of-the-box thinking. Project-based learning fosters teamwork, improves communication skills, builds leadership skills. Completing complex projects boosts students' confidence and prepares them for new challenges at work. Collaborating with peers provides valuable networking opportunities, benefiting students' careers. Please contact us for details. We are happy to help. Thank you.